Hey, so what's up guys, this is Jabi back here with another video. So today I'm unboxing a laptop cleaning kit. Definitely said that I've seen a lot of reviews in YouTube and also have seen a lot of feedback reviews, also the ratings about the product. It has more than 30,000 reviews rating, you can definitely say that, and more than 50,000 buyers bought it from the Amazon itself. So yeah, I'll just get to have a try and let's see how useful it is. So I just ordered it from the Amazon, and yeah, I got the microfiber cloth with the blower. You can say it's blower is pretty good. Microfiber cloth I already had, but blower is really amazing. And this,
So guys, you have seen that video of unboxing of my laptop cleaning kit. So the purpose behind my purchasing of that kit is on about like the rating. I actually seen lot of ratings, like approximately 30,000 ratings. Okay, so I thought to buy it and like have a test on it and